Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your ELGATO Facecam Neo to a PC. This video is for Windows users. If you wanna do it on Mac, it's gonna be pretty similar, but there's also a video on our channel on the Mac version, so you can watch that if you want a more detailed version. And first we should go to the browser and search for elgato.com. I'm just gonna quickly also select the language. And now I'm on the Elgato website. I can just click on download in top right corner. Then find Camera Hub and click on download. I'm gonna click on continue with download, so I don't need to simply enter my email address. Now you can see the MSI file is downloaded. I'm not gonna install it now because I already have the Elgato Camera Hub, but if you don't have it, you can simply click on continue in the MSI file once you open it, and it'll be done. Then connect your camera to your computer. I don't have the USB-C port in my computer, so what I can do is just plug it into an adapter that I own, then plug it into the computer. And now I'm gonna open the Elgato Camera Hub, which I have right here. And now, as you can see, it all is working. You can, of course, put it on like your monitor. I think it works best that way, so I'm gonna quickly do that, then get back to you. And now, as you can see, I have the camera set. The image doesn't really look too good right now because there are lots of settings here. And I highly recommend adjusting them based on your needs. Of course, if there's any setting here, like especially the exposure or white balance, I would highly recommend watching a video on our channel on it, because there I explain lots of important things to know about the